Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Natural Language Toolkit, NLTK, is a popular library in Python for working with human language data, such as text and speech. However, sometimes you may encounter an import error when trying to import NLTK or its modules. This tutorial will guide you through common causes of these errors and how to resolve them. Several factors can lead to import error while working with NLTK. Before we dive into resolving import error issues, make sure you have NLTK installed and set up correctly. You can install NLTK and its data with the following steps. Once you have NLTK installed, you can download required data sets, such as corpora and models, using NLTK's download manager. Launch a Python shell or script and run the following. This will open an NLTK download window where you can choose which datasets to install. Make sure that NLTK is installed. You can do this by running the following command in a Python shell. If you receive no errors, NLTK is installed correctly. NLTK might not be compatible with your Python version. Verify that you are using a compatible Python version by running. If your Python version is supported, you should not encounter compatibility issues. Some NLTK modules require external dependencies. If you're importing a specific module that's causing import error, check the NLTK documentation to see if it has any dependencies. Install them if needed. Ensure that your Python environment can find NLTK by checking your Python path configuration. If you installed NLTK in a virtual environment, make sure you've activated the environment before running your code. Now let's look at a couple of code examples to illustrate import error scenarios and resolutions. Scenario: you're trying to import NLTK, but you encounter an import error. Resolution: scenario: you're trying to import a specific NLTK module, like NLTK.corpus, but you encounter an import error. Resolution: dealing with import error issues when working with NLTK in Python may seem frustrating, but it's usually a straightforward process of checking your installation, Python version, dependencies, and path configuration. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you should be able to resolve most import error issues and work effectively with NLTK for natural language processing tasks. ChatGPT. Natural Language Toolkit, NLTK, is a popular Python library for working with human